Hello, today we are going to review this, a spring powered SPAS 12. Okay, so this is the pump, and what I like is that this goes back every time you pump. If you want to, you could use this to pump, but I don't really see the point. The safety, this is the safety here. You pull back and the safety is on, and you push away to turn the safety off. Oh yeah, and you need to push this back forwards as well. So the safety is off. Okay, let's talk about the magazine. This is the magazine. So you push the button here and you are presented with this. I'm going to use 0.12 pellets because 0.2 isn't really good for this. To load, you get the spring, you push all the way down to the bottom. And a black piece of plastic is shown here, which means it's in place. So what I'm going to do now, to load, I push this at the top, this button, and load it. So it's quite easy really. Sorry, just give me a second. There we go. Also, this is a double stack magazine. I'm just taking my time a little bit here. Okay, there we go. Right, okay. Right, this holds about 60 rounds, which is quite good. To load is quite easy. You put it in with the pellets facing upwards. You put it in and you push the button here and you're ready to go. What I like about this gun is that here you can make a setting. This is 1 pellet each shot, and this is 3 pellets each shot. So let's do 1. So it's quite easy to do really. Alright, that's 3 pellets. So this is 3 pellets. So not bad. It makes the range much closer. Let's do 1 at a time. So I'm going to push this back. So it's 1 pellet per shot. Right, so the range is much better. So if you want to save your pellets and you want a better range, you make it 1. Okay, I'm going to do 3 again. Okay. Right, that's it, I think. Yeah, that's it. So as you can see, it was very easy to operate. And also here is where you put a shotgun shell. You don't need it for this, but you can open it. It opens, you push up and you push the button and back into place. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry there wasn't too much to talk about, but it's really a nice, fun and simple gun.